shouldn't say that. Maybe he's not. Maybe he really was being cool and I wasn't just being a dick. That's slick. Like I said before, sometimes some of the coolest cars are in the parking lot. Wow. Still think these things are very pretty. This is a beautiful resto on this Distillery. Still in the parking lot. Still in the parking lot. Okay, so we have made it to the show. Walked to the parking lot. Caught a couple cool gems in the parking lot. I thought that was pretty nice. Air tank, compressor for the bag kit. Beautiful car. Wow, this C4 is beautiful. I shouldn't say it like that. C4s are beautiful. This just paint is in incredibly good shape. How you guys doing?
Good. Good, how are you?
Very good, thank you. Nice. Ooh, a Carmen Ghia. Nice. Wow. That color green is just amazing. Go back and edit my dumb voice out of this video when I get home. Thank you. Wow, these are some beautifully restored bikes. That is... I don't track Harley stuff, and I know the big wheel is the new thing. What size is this? 26. What it says? Beautiful bike. No need for a kickstand if you can go that low. For sale. Pop. Oh, I like this too. Am I going too fast? You can tell me if you want. See those often. Sneak back between the bikes. Hope that don't piss off any of these guys. Hey, it's a Nash. There's your 1 liter motor. Beautiful. Bel Air wagon. Nomad.
Yeah, we'll be down there.
These were rare when I was a kid. Now they're like unicorns. LS swap.
Yeah, we do too.
It's a 48 pan.
We do too. We were going to go a couple of years ago.
Whole small box Chevy in there.
Because we were at Gatlinburg, and it's like, okay, we're gonna be here for 2 days.
I heard Gatlinburg. Love Gatlinburg. The big Bronco, turn around, it's right in your face. Look at that. The side of that thing. Damn. Somebody put a lot of time into this. I have no patience. That's why I'll never try to paint a car in my life. Never. Matching valve covers. How you doing today?
What is it?
I'm sorry.
Is that high?
All right. After running my mouth again way too much, here's another beautiful C10. Yeah, I said it like that. Oh my God, there's like handprints all up and down here. I'd be a little pissy, but that's only because I can respect how much work was put into making this beautiful truck.
I had it in October. I had COVID, and so with VA. So I go to VA, and they think I'm like, you're loaded with antibiotics. And then they're like,
This is really a beautiful truck. That's certainly not the motor. It's a GM crate motor, it looks like. Small block.
little baby.
Lots of vendors here today. Pretty stuff.
He said, I wish I had the money that I'd buy this right now. Yeah. You may want to consider putting your number right on your side.
Look at all the chrome just on the dashboard. So pretty. Wow. Yeah, I know. I'm just hyperbolic about everything. Yeah, Delta 88.
So don't forget.
What happened?
They open their trunk, so I'll take a look at what they've done in there. From that Dustin Hoffman, Tom Cruise movie that's escaping me right now. Yeah, I know. Everybody's screaming, I know the name of that. Is this possibly the best use of a tempo I've ever seen? I think somebody finally found something productive to do with a tempo. I hate to be critical. Those were some ugly cars in the day. This is. Okay, I'm lost. Is it a Ford? I think it is. Sorry, folks. Walk through your stuff. Ooh. I don't know if you can see the purple in that. That's beautiful. Almost looks black. The purple. Oh, now you see it. Wow, pretty color. Pretty color. That's what catches the greens. Yeah, you have to agree with that. Love and time spent, but money wasted. Junior'd like that a lot. 57 is beautiful, but it's been motor swapped. Refresh the gauges, that's really cool. Beautiful car. Wow, I love these second gens. However, I don't think I'll ever try to buy one. Hey, with the leg burners. Gotta love those. They sound great and they destroy your legs. Well, this one has them too. Oh, these are leg burners.
Going to a different show.
Love this color. This was the color of my Tempest that you could only tell if you looked inside the trunk lid, because it was repainted white by Geico, or not Geico, Maaco. Beautiful car. LS swap. No, that's a small block Chevy, I think, with a coil unplug conversion. All right, questions need to be asked. This thing is beautiful. I didn't even realize it had an engine swap. That's cute. Check that out. So Celica swapped with a Grand National turbo engine. Absolutely cool. 76, 77. I believe I drove one of these for a minute when I lived down in Georgia. Not like this though. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Small block Chevy power. C-notch frame, but still beautiful bed finish. Wow. Look on the back there anyway. Sorry man, take your photo. Tell me to move. Ford powered. Representing the Ford community. There's a project coming along. Could be a race car though. That color.
Right. Hey Dom, grab the pin, please. The red keychain pin.
Yeah, if you're gonna
My
get
interior is the same color. You know, that's,
Oh, I like the saddle.
yeah,
I really do.
good looking Chevelle. A late arriver. Beautiful big block B96. Nice car. Well done.
It's loud and obnoxious.
Maybe we're not done. Still making my way back to my car. And like an idiot, I couldn't see what button I was pushing because I'm not wearing my glasses, and I opened the trunk as opposed to opening the top. That's what happens. Old man life. Play with my new toy I learned, so unlock. And that's it.